Do you need extra hands?
No, no.
Okay.
You are okay. Just have to keep what you're doing there, Mama. We're gonna have extra hand when she walk, okay? But this is all good. Alrighty. Eva, keep your feet flat. Alrighty. We're going to stand, okay? 1, 2, 3, and up, honey. Up.
Yay! Big girl!
Yay! Pretty girl! Yeah? Good job! Alright, now you're gonna move your foot. Do you mind? Oh, shh. I think I'm good. Yeah, there. Just go to Miss Kelly, okay? Alright. Grab my finger. Here we go.
Grab my finger.
Move your foot.
Grab my
Move
finger.
your foot. There you go. You're doing it. Come on. One foot.
Yeah!
Hey. Come on.
Bend your knee, honey bun.
That's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, she did it all by herself.
But the right one. Come on. You're doing it. Come on. Lift it up. Lift it up. Oh, come on.
She does that.
Good
thing
job.
So good. Are you done it for me?
Yeah. All right. Let's do it the side.
Okay.